Ever wish your kitchen prep felt like a breeze instead of a chore? Today, we're diving into 5 must-have food skills that transform portioning, baking, and meal prep into precise, stress-free magic, no guesswork required. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know exactly which scale fits your lifestyle, whether you're carb counting, baking artisan loaves, or meal prepping like a pro. Number 1 is the Etic City Food Kitchen Scale. Imagine dialing in ingredients. With surgical precision, this scale measures up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms in 1 gram increments for uncanny accuracy. It supports 5 units ounces, pound ounce, fluid ounces, grams, and milliliters, so you can swap seamlessly between baking recipes and smoothie pours. The 304 food-grade stainless steel platform wipes, clean in seconds, resisting fingerprints and spills, and 2 AA batteries come included for instant setup. Its slim profile tucks away in any drawer, yet the backlit LCD display with large numerals makes readings crystal clear, day or night. Whether you're perfecting sourdough hydration or dialing in your keto macros, this scale has your back. Number 2 is the Greater Goods High-Capacity Kitchen Scale. It is for those who tackle epic baking projects or bulk meal prep sessions. This premium scale handles up to 22 pounds without breaking a sweat. It boasts a high-def VAA LCD screen and responsive touch buttons, so you get instant, fuss-free readings and a user experience that feels downright futuristic. The stainless steel weighing platform resists scratches and cleans with a simple wipe. Add in a convenient hold function to freeze your measurement on screen. Plus, a charitable twist part of every purchase supports meaningful causes. And you've got a tool that weighs heavy on both performance and purpose. Number 3 is the Nicewell 22-pound digital kitchen scale. Sweet spot between style and substance. This sleek scale sports a 9x6-inch tempered glass top with chrome accents for a modern flourish. Underneath, 4 high-precision sensors register 1 gram or 0.1 ounce increments up to 22 pounds, ensuring you nail every gram of flour or drizzle of oil. Switch effortlessly among 5 measurement modes: grams, ounces, pounds ounces, fluid ounces, and milliliters, and use the tare function to zero out bowls or containers. Experts even name this model a top pick for its roomy surface and unbeatable value, making it our favorite balance of form and function. Number 4 is the CRWNF UL 11-pound digital kitchen scale. Looking for rugged reliability in a compact package? Crownful's 304-grade stainless steel scale offers 6 units of measure, including dedicated milk and water modes, all switchable at the touch of a button. High-precision sensors deliver 1 gram accuracy up to 11 pounds, and the tare function lets you subtract bowls or plates for pure ingredient focus. A clear backlit LCD display reads easily in any lighting, while non-slip rubber feet keep it rock solid on your counter. Sleek curves, easy, clean surfaces, and reliable after-sales support make this scale a kitchen staple. Number 5 is the OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel scale. This isn't just another scale, it's a precision instrument built for pros and home cooks alike. The pull-out display extends away from your bowels to eliminate reading shadows, while the large digital numbers stay visible even in dim kitchens. Stainless steel resists smudges, and the zero function lets you tare effortlessly before each weigh. At 11-pound capacity with 1/8 ounce and 1 gram increments, it handles everything from spices to large roasts. Bon Appetit's experts praise its intuitive interface and accuracy, dubbing it a must-have for consistent results every time. Loved these picks? Smash that like button, subscribe for more gear guides, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a gadget deep dive. Check the description for direct links to each scale and upgrade your kitchen today.